I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found.
What is up? Welcome back to our
channel.
channel. Today we are doing something that is
Very
long
exciting.
overdue.
Very
excited to do. And it is the whole entire Pac-Man collection. This is an unboxing of it. We're so excited, and
We got this for our birthday, which
yeah,
I'm not gonna say when our birthday was because it shows how
procrastinating
much
this
this
has been.
semester has hit us.
But before we start, I got really excited to start talking. Welcome back to our channel. If you want to join our Forking family, then like and subscribe.
And if you're new here, I'm Sierra.
And I'm Serenity, and together we make 2 times the sparkle.
So our social medias will be down below.
Yeah, our social medias will be down below.
Serenity Sparkle, Sierra Sparkle together.
Super easy, 2 times the sparkle. Follow us on Instagram. We post kind of frequently. Post on our Instagram stories, very interactive and stuff like that. So yeah, get to know us. Follow us on the gram. It's a good time.
Okay, so now we're just gonna jump right into this.
Slide into this whole Pac-Man thing.
So Wet and Wild had a collaboration or whatnot with Pac-Man, and I heard this and I was
Oh my gosh, we were like, we have to jump on this right now.
Yeah.
We were so excited.
And look.
My dad surprised us with it for our birthday.
Look at
Like
this
I just wanted the
packaging.
eyeshadow palette, and he bought the whole thing. So overachiever.
And we have not
our
used
father.
any of this.
But yes,
so
we have not used any of it. So
self-control.
We're gonna do an unboxing, and then maybe we'll film like
A makeup
look that we
Yeah.
played with. I don't know. Comment down below if you'd like to see that. And we're just gonna start unboxing.
Jump right in.
So here's the lid. I mean,
Flip it to
basic,
the back.
but when you flip it to the back, it says everything, which it's so cute because it looks like the menu, like the main menu portion of actual Pac-Man. I don't know how many of you guys have played Pac-Man, but I feel like all you guys should have.
Everyone
because
has played Pac-Man.
If you haven't played Pac-Man, stop watching this video and go play it. Actually, finish the video and then go play it.
And then play
because
Pac-Man.
You want to watch me? Come on.
And then rewatch the video, and then you'll realize how cool Pac-Man is.
yeah,
you know?
So have fun.
You know.
Okay, so this whole package includes bonus fruit lip scrub, lip balm, high score blush palette, game over color palette, 4 ghost lipsticks, powder palette bronzer, powder palette blush lighter, so I think a blush/highlighter, the perfect game nail kit, Waka 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 powder brush, and Waka 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 eyeshadow brush. I've heard really good things about the brushes, so I'm super excited.
Okay, so when you take the lid off, it looks like this.
Honestly, just like the whole, I don't know, the whole design of everything
And then
that
you
they've
can
done
pull
is so
this,
great.
pull that out, and then there's this dividing what's underneath, and we'll get to what's underneath in a second.
Yeah, we're not gonna jump ahead.
So,
okay, we're just gonna start first things first. Okay, so this first thing that is right here, I'm trying to see. Okay, this is the bronzer pellets. I don't know how well you can see it, but I am going to open it, and I will film an up close version of it for you guys to see. It's sealed right now because I have been a good child and not opened it. And there's also a little foam thing to protect it. So these pellets just kind of roll around, and I guess you just wash your brush over it.
I've never used anything like this before.
So super excited. I'm gonna put this back in here so it
And
doesn't
then
dry out.
there's a bronzer version of it,
If it
and
doesn't
then there's
smell good, don't smell it. If you watch all of my videos,
We
like
smell
I literally
everything.
smell everything, and I'm always like, that doesn't smell good, and it's because you're not supposed to smell it.
Okay, so then there's the blush one as well. So there's the bronzer and the blush little bead things. And they're sparkly and glowy. So if you like a shimmery bronze, then I would
Yeah,
say...
I just put the bronzer on my thing, on my like hand right here, and it looks just really natural and subtle. Very good for like the fall. I don't know. I like a subtle bronze for the fall because like I'm always freaking pale in the fall. You know.
Facts. So after the blush and the bronzer, there's 4 lipsticks in which I am so excited to try. Let me get these out. So there is Pinky, which is the pink one, obviously. Then there's Inky, which is the blue lipstick color. Then there is Clyde, which is the orange looking one, peachy looking. And then the red one is
Blinky.
Blinky.
Are there 2
That's
Blinkies?
so funny. It's Pinky, Inky, Blinky, and then Clyde. They all rhyme besides Clyde.
Poor Clyde. Sorry,
Poor
bro.
Clyde. But yeah, so there's 4 lipstick colors. And just, I'm really excited.
So on to the next. This next thing is the Blush High Score palette. So it has 4 different blushes. And it's so cute. And like, the packaging of it's pretty nice and like durable and sturdy. Okay, I haven't opened it yet. Like I made clear. So let's...
Don't break it.
I'm going to break it.
20 minutes later.
Took a hot second. But this is the blush palette. Yes, my finger hit the blush whenever I opened it because...
It was a little bit pain in the butt.
It was a pain in the butt to open. But whatever. Okay, so a really cool thing about this is it does have like the indentions of like the different scores and stuff like that, which is really cool. And you have one like little matte. It's a blush, but it's kind of a bronzy blush. And it's nice and matte, which is really nice. I like that they included like a matte blush. But I... very much so a shimmer blush girl, so I do like all 3 of these colors. I feel like they look really pretty just mixed together. Like I would just run my brush over all 3 of them.
Okay, so it came with a blush palette and then it came with an eyeshadow palette. And the eyeshadow palette, it has a little Pac-Man detailing, which is super cool. So there's bright colors in here. I've been wanting like a bright color like palette to play with. And you can see each little ghostling and then Pac-Man in the center and like the detailing on each palette and the detail throughout this whole entire
Wet n Wild's
collaboration is absolutely phenomenal. So you have like a bright orange, this teal color, which I really want to tap into, and just all these. You even have like a nice little, I gotta swatch this, it's just calling my name. You have a little bit of a shimmer. It is a little bit like flaky,
Chalky.
but for like the price in which you pay for this palette, I think the palette comes off to like $9.
It's like $10.
Yeah. So
not a bad
the
deal
price,
for some bright colors because with
and the
pigments,
colors are very, very, very pigmented, I would have to say, and they seem buildable.
Okay, so they also include, the collection also includes the bonus fruit lip balms. So you have a scrub and you have a lip balm. I just think they're so cute. Like I would just keep them in my purse, you know?
Look at that. Just look at that.
And
what,
honestly,
a cherry and an apple?
Yeah, it smells like cherry. Honestly, Wet n Wild, I don't know if you've ever used their lip scrubs,
like
but I love their lip scrubs. I have their watermelon lip scrub and I use it all the time.
Yeah.
So I know that I'm actually going to use it. And they're just so freaking cute and just a great touch to the collection as a whole.
It's just, yeah, like I said over and over again, the whole entire detailing of the collection is just like, I don't know, man. It's so, it makes me feel like I'm like, you know, like 6 again, like just, I don't know, excited.
Yeah.
Okay,
so we finished the first layer.
Layer
and we are
1.
on to layer dos.
And then this divides like the layers,
Yeah.
which I thought was a super cool like idea.
This is layer 2, final layer. So it came with an eyeshadow brush and like face brush, right? Is that what?
Yeah, the Waka Waka powder brush. So I'm
Yes.
just gonna go ahead and like open it. Yeah.
These brushes just look. They just have like, you know, like the moving glitter. They're just so cute. Like I wish that they had more of them. I wish they had a whole collection of the brushes. Really,
Dude,
oh,
the
they're
glitter.
so nice and soft.
They are. And then the tops are like yellow, like the Pac-Man yellow, which is again super cool.
Wet n Wild, I think you definitely missed out not making a whole collection of these brushes because I would have bought them.
Okay, and then next.
Last but not least is
I'm gonna
the
open
nail
this.
kit. So it's how many different colors? 4?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, 5. Sorry, miscounted.
Ooh.
5
nail
different
colors.
nail colors. Okay.
These colors, like they all have like a slight sparkle undertone.
Yeah,
to
they
them.
do all have a glitter. Actually, no, the red doesn't. But I'm a sucker for red nail polish, and this is a really pretty red.
I need a nail polish too. I like the blue because Gator Blue, go
Oh,
Gators,
this
baby.
smells like nail polish. Why do I smell everything?
I know, I smell it too.
Why did I smell it thinking that it was going to smell like apples or something? Now I have a headache.
Come on, Wet n Wild, make your nail polish smell like apples.
Okay, but nail stuff obviously was the very last thing of the collection, but it's fine. I mean, I wish that there was just an endless amount of things because I would sit here and just go through it all day. But that's not how the world works.
Overall opinions and how we feel about the collection. like first perspective, first view.
Yeah, this is
the
just
concept is really
the
good.
outside.
But we will most definitely be trying all this stuff
And seeing if we like how it wears.
Seeing how it wears and seeing what it looks like. So look forward to like a get ready with me Pac-Man edition, I guess.
Sorry guys, I
don't
did
know.
not mean to yawn.
So we will see how it all wears and such, and I'm super excited to see how it wears.
That is what concludes the Pac-Man collection. We're super excited to like play with it and come up with some cool looks to show you guys. If you guys like this, comment down below, hit the like button, subscribe to join our Forking family.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell so you can get notifications whenever we post, because you're like, whoa, I want to watch Sierra and Serenity, and you're like, dang right you want to watch Sierra and Serenity. They're a good time.